Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the font size on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on display. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on font size and style. Now from here, if you swipe the slider to the right side, you will increase the size of the font as you can see in the preview. Now if you go to your home screen, and as you can see, we have successfully increased the size of the font on our smartphone. Now if you swipe the slider to the left side, you will decrease the size of the font on your smartphone as you can see in the preview, just like that. And this is how you can change the font size on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.